Alright, this is going to be an extremely quick video of this, which is apparently, let's see, the official goal light, made in China, of course. It takes, I think there are 3 AAA batteries as well as an LR44 coin cell to run the clock, which I thought was kind of stupid. It also has a little light there. And you can see the controls. Not really terrifically interesting. But, it's very cheesy. I'm not going to even set off the alarm here. But it works as a light, as you can see, like that. Push the snooze button to turn it off. And it also will sound a horn. And this is the cheesiest thing ever. And no, it doesn't repeat. I just thought I'd share that with you. So thank you for watching. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down below. And this is CP666 signing off. Hope to see you next time. Till then.